There is a control panel that turns an empty server into something that deploys when you push. And the free version of it is not a trial that runs out. We review it so you don't have to. Easypanel calls itself a modern, self-hosted platform as a service. You put it on a server you own or rent, and it handles the parts that normally eat an evening. Deployments, certificates, backups, monitoring. It is running on over 66,000 active servers, with more than 145,000 people registered. The day-to-day is connecting a GitHub repository and pushing. It builds and deploys with no downtime. Alongside that, there is a catalog of more than 750 open-source services you can install in a single click. AdGuard Home, Authentik, Grafana, Jellyfin, Nextcloud, Home Assistant. Databases are covered too, with Postgres, MySQL, MongoDB, and Redis. The rest is the quiet stuff. Certificates that renew themselves, two-factor authentication, automated backups to Amazon S3, Google Drive, or Dropbox, restored in one click. Live monitoring of processor, memory, disk, and network per service, with logs and a shell built in. The free plan is free forever and gives you 3 projects with unlimited services and deployments. Paid starts around $11 a month, and read that carefully because it is charged per server, not per project.
So, the verdict. If you have one server and a handful of things on it, the free tier is a permanent answer rather than a taste. Pay only when you outgrow 3 projects or need real backups. 8 out of 10. If that was useful, hit the like button and subscribe so the next review reaches you. Turn the bell on as well. Thanks for watching.